Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather be able to communicate with animals or be able to speak and understand all languages? Would you rather walk on fire or walk on glass? Would you rather have 100 bitcoins 10 years ago or have $1 million right now? Would you rather lose 30% of your wealth or lose 10% of your IQ? Would you rather have a gaming room or a private gym? Would you rather save the dog from drowning or get the mystery gift revealed at the end? Would you rather experience an earthquake or a flood? Would you rather earn $1 million every time you finish a marathon or earn $1 every time you take a step? Would you rather sleep on a chair or sleep on the floor? Would you rather never celebrate your birthday again or always comment on your birthday? Would you rather spend your gaming time on a PlayStation or an Xbox? Would you rather go to jail for 1 year or go back to school for an extra year? Would you rather drive a Formula One car or pilot a plane? Would you rather lose your wallet or lose your phone? Would you rather be a dog for a day or be a cat for a day? Would you rather live in a country nearing bankruptcy or be forced to participate in World War I? Would you rather step on a tack or step on a Lego? Would you rather live in a world without water or a world without electricity? Would you rather have butterfly wings or a mermaid tail? Would you rather become a famous YouTuber or a famous TikToker? Would you rather be the best in all sports or be the best with all instruments? Would you rather live alone on Mars or be mocked at school? Would you rather have unlimited wealth or unlimited happiness? Would you rather be a firefighter or be a police officer? Would you rather never have to do laundry or never have to charge your phone? Would you rather sleep in a treehouse or sleep in an igloo? Would you rather be the good guy in a movie or be the bad guy in a movie? Would you rather experience a volcanic eruption or an avalanche? Would you rather never have to work again or retire your parents? Would you rather eat French fries right now or share your favorite food in the comments? Would you rather be stranded in the ocean or in a desert? Would you rather become best friends with Mr. Beast or be the CEO of Apple? Would you rather save your family or save humanity? Would you rather have a conversation with Jesus or instantly win $1 million? Would you rather live in a luxury penthouse or own a luxury private jet? Would you rather have the power of invisibility or the power of flight? Would you rather have free food for a month or free gas for a month? Would you rather lose the ability to read or the ability to write? Would you rather never be able to use a smartphone or never be able to use a computer? Would you rather fight off a swarm of aggressive bees or dodge a pack of hungry wolves? Would you rather give up your best job or give up your best friend? Would you rather save the world or trigger a natural disaster? Would you rather be the funniest person in the world or be the smartest person in the world? Would you rather eat a spicy pepper whole or drink a tablespoon of hot sauce? Would you rather have a pet dog or a pet cat? Would you rather live in a haunted house or lose $1 million? Would you rather be extremely rich but lonely or have a loving family but be poor? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.